Could you imagine how stressful it is to get audited by the IRS? It's up there as probably one of the most stressful things for a lot of people. But I'm here to let you know that if you ever find yourself in a situation where you are getting audited, did you know that the IRS actually publishes audit technique guides on their website? This is one of the biggest benefits to working with a tax advisor, especially one that is experienced with handling audits. Currently, the IRS is very understaffed and they are overworked. A lot of the employees that have been there for years are going off to retire, so the IRS has to hire a bunch of new employees to take over these roles. One of these roles was the role of being an auditor. And so guess what? Many auditors have a lot of experience, but a lot of the newer ones do not have experience, especially whenever you get into a lot of the nuanced sections of the tax code. Real estate being one of them. The passive activity loss rules can have a lot of complexities to them, and whenever you couple that with cost segregation, that only increases the amount of nuance and complexities that go on with these audits. So if you're a very first time auditor, you have no idea how any of this stuff is handled. So the IRS gives them a packet and they say, audit them based on this packet. Well, guess what? They publish these online. So if you are a taxpayer and you're doing something like real estate professional status, or maybe short-term rental loophole, or you're doing a cost segregation, the IRS actually has these audit technique guides published online and you can download them. Or you can work with a tax advisor that has read it themselves and will transfer that information over to you so that you can have that peace of mind at night whenever you're sleeping.